What's up YouTube? It's your boy Mase The Barber coming at you guys with another video. Today is going to be a barber tutorial. I'm going to be cutting my little brother's hair, so basically whatever he wants is what you guys are going to have a tutorial on. So it'll be the title of the video anyways. But yeah, now I'm just going to get him. I'm going to park real quick and then I'll introduce you guys to him. Yo, what's up?
What's up? How's it going?
So, are you excited?
A little bit.
What are you doing with your hair?
No, just a little fade on the sides.
Okay. You want to touch the top?
Well, a little bit. I still want to keep this.
You want to keep the curls?
Yeah.
Okay. So introduce yourself.
My name's Will. I'm 12, and this guy is the best barber in Montreal.
You heard it here first. All right, so you wanna shout out your Instagram?
No.
No. You wanna stay low key?
Yeah.
All right, we'll catch you guys at the barber shop. You wanna go like? Okay, so first things first, what I like to do is just get rid of all the bulk. So right now I have my 2-guard open and I'm just clearing it up so that when I put my skin guideline in, it'll be a lot clearer. So here I have my magic clip with the lever closed and I'm just making a line. You want to make sure that this line is clear and even throughout the whole head, because this is how your fade is starting and your whole fade is going to be like structured around this line. So you want to make sure it's perfect, because the better the line, the better the fade. Now I'm just getting rid of all of the excess hair on the bottom with my baby bliss skeleton. You want to make sure that you're not going all the way up to the line, and once you get to the line you flick out a little bit just so you don't create another line under the line you just made. And then here I'm using my Andis shaver just to get rid of all the stubble. This will make the fade come out a lot better. Next, what I'm doing is I'm creating another guideline with my lever open. So you want to go up about an inch around the whole head, and then once that's done you want to start slowly closing the lever as you go down near the first skin line that you made. And eventually you want to be with the lever closed, just flicking out at the bottom of the line, and the line will eventually disappear. And some tricks that you could do is use the corner of your blade and just flick out the darker spots, and you'll see they'll slowly start to disappear. What I'm doing right here is I'm clearing up the bulk higher up with my number 2 guard open, so that when I bring out my number 1 guard open, as I'm doing right here, it's just cleaner and I see what I'm doing better. So here I'm making another guideline about an inch up from the first line we made, and you want to slowly close the lever the lower you go, and then once you've hit the 1 guard close, you want to take the 0.5 guard, open it up all the way, and then do the same thing. So the lower you go, the more you want to close the lever, just to get rid of the line that's left. Right here is the line that I was just talking about. So I blended with my 1 guard the most I could, and there's still a slight little line that you can see, and we're going to get rid of that line with the 0.5 guard. So the lower you go, the more you close your guard, and it'll eventually just disappear. Don't forget to use the corner of your blade, because that helps a lot and it prevents you from making another line. Okay, now it's time to blend in the top with the sides. So what I like to do is take my number 8 guard and start getting rid of the bulk, like slightly flicking out at the top, and then I do the same thing with my number 4 and then with the number 2. So if you just look at the way I'm doing it, like right here I have my number 4 and I'm going a little lower than what I did with the 8, and then I do the same thing with the number 2, and you're gonna see it's gonna start lightening up the sides and bringing the whole fade together. So once you're done the number 2, I take my number 1.5 guard open and I just get rid of the slight little line that's in between as I'm doing right here, and you're gonna see the fade slowly come together. Alright, so I went through all the steps, but I'm still not satisfied with the fade, so right now I'm just touching up, going through my work and making sure everything is perfect. So I'm going to do some clip over comb and just redo what I did the first time just to make sure everything comes out crispy. So for the top, I could have done clipper over comb, but with my brother's hair it's not too coarse, it's like pretty thin, so I just go over it with the scissors. It's pretty hard to explain the way I cut the top, but if you could see, I just go through the middle and then I cross check on the side, and then I do the left side and then same thing on the right side. Okay, now it's time to line them up. It's kind of hard to line someone up with a camera, like being able to show the camera at the same time, but basically you just want to start in the middle, make your way to the side, and then do the same thing on the other side. So right here I'm doing a little design. Yes, I know I'm not the best at designs, but your boy's trying and we're getting better. Now I'm just cleaning up with the razor, making sure the outline and the design is clean and clear. And then yeah, so this is what he looked like before, looking kind of scruffy. And then boom, that's what he's looking like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Just stay tuned if you want to see his reaction. But yeah.
I'm in.
So
Hey, what's up?
what do you think of the haircut?
It's pretty good. I like it.
Yeah, pretty good. That's it.
Yeah. What?
Okay.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.